logged Alitimate. This is the WP admin, the main administration area, that is level 3 administration. In this video I'll cover the brief features, all these features on the left side, a brief introduction to these. So all courses, this courses tab here has all the features that are required for courses. Now this courses and WooCommerce has got all, it covers all the course related features. All courses shows you all the courses that you have. You can edit the courses, you can delete the courses, you can hide them, you can create a new course right from here. All units, quizzes, questions and assignments, these 4 here are basically for the course material. All events and classes is for creating classes. Certificate templates, if you want to give out certificates right after the course completion from the system, you can do that. Statistics covers all the course, actually the progress of the students in regards to their quiz marks and things like this. Course categories has the categories of the courses. I'll give a detailed overview of how to edit the course and create the course from this backend in a separate demo. So let me go ahead with project management. Project management is for the volunteers to create internal projects and to have milestones and to manage their projects. So as every volunteer will have his own login, and he can log in and see this tab, so they all can log in to the same screen and they can see what are the tasks that that they have been assigned and when is the date due and things like these. So let's say I start with a new project. I give it a name, ABC project, and I can give some description. I can assign people right here. Okay, so I just have to type their name and they will be included. I can notify them. So let's say I start with these 2 people. There are 5 tabs here. The main tabs are to-do list and milestones. Activity will basically show you the overview of the project, who added what, who has been assigned with what task and stuff like this. Messages is for the the volunteers to message each other with regards to the to-do list and to ask basic questions or to inform something. Well, to start with, we'll have to first create milestone. So milestone, I'll just create a milestone, let's say M1. I can assign a due date to it, and I've got some description. Let's say I can add the milestone, then let's say I add another one, and I give it some date in January. So now we have got 2 milestones here. Now we can add to do jobs. Let's say task 1 for the upcoming courses. I can assign the milestone that's this task going to belong to. Now I've got subtasks. Now these subtasks are basically the main tasks. So I can assign a due date, let's say after 5 days. I'll assign it to myself. Add this to do. So this has been added here. Now subtask 2. Let's say the date for the Academy. So we have got 2 tasks right here. I add another task 2 for milestone 2. So this is the view. So there's task 1, task 2. There are 2 subtasks here. You can add another, let's say final task, 1st of January, assigned to myself. So if you check the milestone view now, you have got M1 first, that is due in 3 weeks time. There is 1 task, that is 1 milestone. There are it's 0% done. There are 2 subtasks in it. There's 1 subtask in M2, that is task 2. So now let's say so everyone will be informed regarding this. When people come, they can see whom the task is assigned to. So this subtask 1 is assigned to Alitimate, subtask 2 is assigned to Codeb Academy. So let's say I finish the task and I can tick it, and that will be completed. Subtask 2 can be completed. Let's say we don't have it ticked. So here you can see how much the task is completed, and once the whole milestone is done, we can tick it here. So then the milestone itself will be completed. From the activity you can see how things are going, when the task was completed and when was it marked completed, things like these. Under messages you have got a basic messaging system where, let's say I've got a question for the designer. Okay, so Lorem, I can link it to a milestone. I can attach a file right here. Okay, and I can notify it to other users. So let's say I want to ask this question to Codeb Academy. So I add the message. Now inside milestones there is a new message. Now this message can be replied to by anyone. So I can add a new comment. Let's say the answer to the question. So I can add comments, so there can be complete thread of questions and answers here, a discussion here. So yeah, this is how it's going to be, and the files that I upload there can be viewed here. So this is the basic usage of the project management right here for the volunteers.